Let's brace for it. So my braid them all with piece I braid them.
And that's why I'm not make me use flour, because if I did ever flour, we're going there over one by one and make.
Yes, Mr. Because
Boy, I get it worse than me. So it go.
yeah.
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 Bad girls step out, I'm stunting. Queen, my ties them tick like pumpkin. Look pon me, big body jumping. My money tick like a caramel dumpling.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, thank you for joining. I'm Belle. Wanna remember original from day one, OG. Yeah, Sasha, she's here again. Today we will be doing
I don't know what name now. But we're gonna put powder on these, and then the lovely young miss behind the camera
Mary
is going to ask the question. So, for example, what's the first question?
Who is funnier?
Who's funnier?
Yeah.
And
That
then
definitely be
whoever is funnier, you're going to first thing we're going to have each other's hands this way. So if she's the funnier, I'm going.
No. I'm gonna do a show on, bro. No.
Say it go.
No, you're not.
Say it go for true. I say it go. That's how it is. So let's.
It's
get
the
straight.
dip challenge.
Call it where you want. Call it, but me know me I duck you.
Dip challenge.
And because I can't take box, I'm gonna make you shut.
Something like, it's the spin-off of Smash or Facts. What's that called? Smack or Facts. So it's the dip challenge.
Call it where you want. Call it. But me I can't. Ready?
No. Give me this. God. Make sure it's okay.
We.
No man.
Some good clothes.
Oh God.
So ready?
We still ask the first
You know,
one.
should I do this last?
Excuse me.
Should I do this last though?
Guys,
What I pour that
we still ask the first one?
Yes. No, you're gonna ask it last.
Okay.
So we're gonna. Ready? Wait there.
No, you know you're on too short. Guys, no.
2-1. Who is the younger? That one your toe now.
More people.
No, let's try sit down right here and peep up yourself.
Ready?
Sit down right.
Who is the smarter?
Oh.
I'm gonna take this. Go take this.
Madonna.
Alright, ready again?
Yeah, no. No. It's not good. You know, say how wicked. Next question.
Who dressed the best?
I'm not. Come on. Guys, you see, she well
Ready.
want push down my head now.
Alright, next question. Big man thing now. Next question.
Nobody kill me now.
Me a dead in
Who is shorter?
guys look like some dopey bats.
I'm not having fun.
Yes.
I'm not having fun.
No.
Today for me. Remember? Next question.
Who will get married first?
Come on. Work it like a battery. Then you walk on like you need. Shake it like a church tree. Oh, I'll look up powder in afterwards. So. You're gonna get married before me. You know that, right? Should I smack it again?
But you see, if you get married before me, girl.
Yeah, I'll go for
How about that?
Well,
Tie chain there, fix it.
yeah, I'll go get married before my man.
You see, if you get married before me, I get some powder for your back.
Yeah, powder in my back.
Yeah.
Yeah, get married first, man. You know the thing. You know the strips.
No, I don't know it.
You know the strips. Next question.
Who is the mad cousin?
Last one. Last one. My head are raised. I feel like one dopey.
Who never walk away from a fight?
Me never. Me not. I did two away. I did two away. A family, we it in our DNA. Walk away from which fight? No girl, no bad so.
Yeah. I want we ready for fight them.
Them say who fights and runs away lives to fight another day. No. A one fight I put on me a fight today and the argument done. No man, I fight no 1, 3, 4, 5, 10 days in a
anytime
one.
we ready for
Man.
fight them people there for running.
Man, before if me see you and me can't manage you, I not run same way. I just go pick up the buckle
Big
and be a
stone.
stone. I'm just I'll who in a fight right on me and make sure you think you know. Cause I know me up, I run for red on nobody, man. Next question.
Who drinks the most?
Oh, yes, baby. Guys, she love drink. Make she ever catch a rum ear, a rum cream, anything rum.
First thing
Lord
from
God.
come at our yard.
Yes.
Make sure say.
That's something that we can do is biggie.
They make you look like you have a lip of wheel though.
Why?
Oh, as me did that say. Me come our yard from enter. Them have to know say food I go cook. Oh, as talking about food and I turn off the stove.
Turn off the stove, Mary.
Cause you know burn up my little near means. Make sure carrot.
Guys, my son used to cook good for her, but this is because she had my bun. You see, all them good cooking just stop. Yeah.
And a bun. And the good boy when we meet.
Yeah.
Big up to you, my boyfriend. Yeah, you know yourself, my good, nice boyfriend. Yeah. Next question.
Whose zodiac sign is Libra?
Come. Over here so look nice. Ah, yeah, over here so.
$100 dress.
Baggy. Come next.
$100. Big, small, all sizes.
Pink, black, red, and white is.
Who has the most wigs?
Come now, man. Work it like. Stop going like you don't want to work it, man. I love that challenge, yeah. Woo! Goes to
Me, I got elbow, you know. Come now.
Who has the bigger ass?
Come, put it in there. Yes, it's big, all. Come on, around town. Bring it around town. Come now. Bring it around
From my
town.
face, from my face. I'ma tell you. Oh, bottom. Nice bottom, man. Yeah, God, you bless me.
Bring
God,
it
I'm a mother, I'm a
around
father.
town.
Hello, mother, I have no big bottom, no much.
Oh, where you get it
thighs.
from?
Miss Carmen, Auntie Jackie, Auntie Desiree, for them body big. Auntie Eileen, big up yourself. Your body big too.
You know, if we stop this, I don't make me have a bad habit.
You have nice size body too, you know, girl, but
Yeah, man, fear brother and thing.
You know I'm iffy. Oh, we don't own the copyrights to that song. But you know I saw me come out strong always. Come on, we pour that in. Now go on, pan yourself. Wait. Next song. Next
Yeah,
question.
Whose breast is bigger?
Come now. Hey, don't me.
You can't put me in there, no, like you do that, you know.
Come now.
Come, make me powder back here. You're brighty. That girl here.
If you pour them back, yeah, make me dip you.
Yes. Alright, no bother.
Sure. Next question. Your breast bigger. I get toots and tats. Yeah.
When I get boobs. Boobies.
I don't know. I don't know what toots and tats you get. Come, next question, good buddy. Spell the word and try to pronounce it. Try to run up and see it, because you can't go on like that pen man shit that bad.
What year should this say to know?
I don't know.
You're right, nice.
You're
But
right,
you can't understand it.
Who's in love?
Who's in love? Come on. Let's brace for it.
So, how me braid them all with piece I braid them?
And that's why I'm not make me use flour, because if I did ever flour, we're going there over one by one and make.
Yes, Mr. Because
Why I get it worse than me? So it go. So it go. Come.
Who has the most footwear?
Come now, man.
Lord of God, when me wipe up my face for?
Love so much can come about that is it. That's up. Yeah. The girl have whole heap of shoes. Me have whole heap too, but me have some family member. As them come in my yard, them say me like that, you know. Alright then, me just know say it gone after that, cause what? Not seeing it back. I love them though. Cause I go to them yard to take for them things too. So can't do right now. But next question.
Who has the most toes?
You!
Nah,
And you know? And you have the most scores.
Nah.
Who have the most scores, Mary?
Bell.
Come on.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Right. Yeah. Yeah,
Mom,
girl.
wait, one more something there.
One more
I
question.
braids this.
Come over.
This right, that's so. This right.
Body not so good today.
Who can do braids?
No.
Come now, yeah, go on, so. Yeah, that's the way to milk. Alright.
I'm just gonna eat everything, so.
Come on, I'm tired of this. Hey, next question.
Who has a short temper?
Yes, baby, going nice. Yeah, baby, I can't endorse anything, you know. Yeah.
Make sure set up over yourself. Next question.
Who is funnier?
No, Sash. You know I know me. Come on, wait, then I
You
put
to
another
Bell,
funny
you to
way.
Bell.
Wait, yes, man.
Bell, you too.
You know who she come like? She come like Britney. When
Yeah,
Britney
challenge we are
drink
going
the
like so she
juice.
no want
You
drink.
know, yeah, when the rum there in a Britney cup and Britney drinks same way.
Come on, no problem.
She's gonna eat
Come
everything,
on.
so.
Duck me and go it. So, you have to duck me. Duck me now, man. I'm ready.
Who has the most piercings?
Oh. Who has the biggest head?
Come now, man. Come. Hey, you either do it willingly or get it forcefully. Understand yourself, man. Right. Yeah. Who for man love them the most?
Yeah.
Yeah, one time more. I saw you sure about boy, girl.
Yeah, girl.
Who is a black queen? Both of y'all. Beautiful back.
Hey, my girl, top now. Backside.
It never nice until we start knock yourself in. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Of course, guys, the good, nice, clean, black, nice, good body one in our video, you understand? So I'm asking you please to like, subscribe, and share.
I said click on the notification.
Oh yeah, touch the bell down there, so you're gonna see when time my good body in a good video them again. Now come back in another more video and let's have something to do with rum. Yeah, big up on yourself.
So you can let me know what type of video you guys want. I'll do the pour that smudge up on the mouth.
Come on.